Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies using the Crypto.com phone-based app. So let's get started. All right, so I've got my phone here I'm going to share with you, and I'll do all of this from my phone today just to show you how easy all of this stuff is. I'm even going to withdraw to my own wallet, so stay tuned for that. So the Crypto.com app is a great way to trade cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, I've got my wallet interface up, and I'm going to utilize the USDM coin, which is the built-in stable coin on the Crypto.com platform. All right, and then I'll put a link to this blog article down in the description below so that you can find out a little more about USDM, the Crypto.com stablecoin. Now, it's quite easy to buy USDM with any cryptocurrency that you're holding. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of Binance coin there. I'll just tap Binance coin. And if I decided I wanted to sell my BNB, you can see there that that USDM is an option, right? And I can sell all of my Binance coin or part of it for USDM. So it's quite easy to liquidate out to that stable coin. Now this stable coin is built into the platform, so it's very quick and easy to use, and they provide high liquidity for it. So what I want to do today is buy some cryptocurrencies with my USDM, and then I'm going to show you how I withdraw those cryptocurrencies back to my own wallet. Kind of a red day today, so a good day to buy some cryptocurrencies. And as you can see, I parked some money in my USDM coin, which sticks with the US dollar value, so it doesn't fluctuate with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. They also support other stable coins too. They support US dollar coin and true US dollar. So take your choice, but I'm going to stick with the built-in Crypto.com stablecoin today. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to run over and buy a little Ethereum. Ethereum has been very hot for the last month or so. So what I'm going to do is click the plus buy ETH, right? And then I'm going to switch over to the crypto wallet, as you can see right there in the center. And then I have the choices from where I want to get this. So what I'm going to do is a particular amount. I'm just going to buy $100 worth of ETH. So I can tap up here and I can adjust my total. So I'm just going to take it down to 4. And as you can see, the USDM total adjusts up there when I adjust my amount. And it's pretty close to $100. So I'll just stick with that. I'll hit buy 0.4 ETH. And then I'll confirm that. And then I'm done. Now I could also buy Bitcoin if I wanted to. So if I wanted to buy some Bitcoin, it's pretty easy. I could just tap Bitcoin and hit buy BTC. Go over to my crypto wallet, and then I could tap in the field where the BTC is, and there you can see there's a max amount just below that insufficient balance button. I could tap that, and then it gives me the exact amount of Bitcoin I can buy for the balance that I have. Or I could adjust it pretty easily if I wanted to take it down a little further. It's up to me, right? Total control. I'm not going to buy Bitcoin today. I'm just going to buy some more BAT, B-A-T, which is another great cryptocurrency. So I'm going to go into BAT. I'm going to hit buy BAT. I'm going to go over to crypto wallet. And then I'm going to choose the USDM coin there. And it's got an amount that I can buy right now, their suggested amount. But if I tap in that little field there where I've got the 500, I can adjust that as well, right? And then the max appears below the button there. I can tap max and then hit buy BAT. And then hit confirm there. And then I'm done. And that happens really fast. All right. Now, I'd like to withdraw this to my own wallet. So I have a Ledger Nano X that I use to store my private keys. But I also have the mobile app. And I can deposit to that wallet from anywhere. I don't even have to have the Ledger device with me to do deposits, right? All I need are the addresses of my wallets. So if we look over here in Ledger Live, you can see that I have several accounts. Got an Ethereum account, and inside that Ethereum account, there's some BAT, right? And then I also have some other Ethereum accounts, like the Ethereum mobile account that is empty from BAT. So I'm just going to show you how I can withdraw to these wallets. Pretty simple. We'll start with the BAT. I'll just hit transfer up here, and then I'll tap withdraw BAT, and I've already got the address whitelisted, right? So I'll just tap send BAT. I can adjust the amount there and send the max and tap send. And then I will confirm. And because I'm withdrawing, I need to enter my two-factor authentication. So I'll slide over to my Google Authenticator. I can just tap there on the code and it copies it into my clipboard. And then I can just slide back over to crypto.com. I'll tap and paste Google Authenticator code in there and hit continue. And there we go. My BAT withdrawal has been submitted. All right. And now let's get that Ethereum out of there. I've got Ethereum here. I'll tap on Ethereum. And then I'll hit transfer. I've got that confirmation of the BAT withdrawal. I'll hit transfer on Ethereum. I'll hit withdraw ETH. And then I've got all my whitelisted addresses to my different wallets. I can hit send ETH there, edit the field and choose the max, hit send again. Now I just need to confirm that. And then I'll need that two-factor authentication once again. So we'll tap that, we'll slide back over, we'll hit paste and continue. And I've withdrawn the Ethereum. And I got an email confirmation on that. So it was very simple to use. I just pulled out my phone, went into my crypto.com account, made some quick trades, and then easily withdrew to my own wallet. And I'll go back over to that Ledger wallet so we can confirm that those came in. Okay, so you can see here on the Ethereum mobile account that I received that $100 worth of Ethereum. I just tap there and go down. There's that received message that it just came in. Didn't take too long, just a few minutes. And then I'll just keep an eye on it. The batch should be arriving soon as well. Okay, and then you can see that the BAT that I withdrew from crypto.com has now safely arrived in my Ledger wallet as well. Now, I just named this one Ledger Mobile to keep it straight in my head. There's nothing special about this wallet. It's just a normal wallet that I created on my Ledger device, and I can store cryptocurrencies in there. And then I'll also point out that I did not need to have the Ledger with me to confirm this deposit. Once you have an address that you have whitelisted on any of your cryptocurrency accounts, you can simply withdraw out to that address without having to press any buttons on the Ledger. So the Ledger is home, safe in a drawer, holding my private keys, and I can access my balances mobily anywhere I want. So a quick and easy way to purchase cryptocurrencies, trade cryptocurrencies, withdraw cryptocurrencies right from your phone. Right? And then there's a lot of other cool stuff that you can do with crypto.com. They have the Crypto Earn program. They also have an MCO Visa card, which you can use to buy things directly anywhere Visa is accepted. So check it out. If you guys have any questions about anything that I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I have a live stream every Friday night, also Tuesday morning, where you can ask me questions. And I'll do my best to get you answers right there on the fly. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.